The Hubble is our premier observatory orbiting the Earth, unraveling the mysteries of the universe. We did 5 missions to upgrade and service the telescope. Hello, I'm John Grunsfeld, NASA astronaut. You might wonder, how did we learn to do the complex tasks using all the cool tools that we used on the Hubble Space Telescope? One of the things that makes humans unique, and certainly one of the things that makes it a lot of fun to work on spacewalks, is developing tools. There are other animals that use tools, but nobody in the animal kingdom ever came up with anything like this.